everyone, I'm Kiko, and I'm here to teach you about the letter I. Let's get started. This is the letter I. Ooh, let's learn the sound the letter I makes. The letter I actually makes more than one sound, but today we're going to learn about the short I sound. To make the short I sound, you'll keep your lips relaxed and make a tiny smile, like this. I. Can you try it? Go ahead. Yay! Now let's look at some words that start with the short I sound. Igloo, iguana, ill, inchworm, insects. Those words all start with the short I sound. Can you say those words with me this time? Igloo, iguana, ill, inchworm, insects. Yay! Great job! Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the short I sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word insects, insects, and then ask you if it starts with the short I sound, you would say yes. But if I were to say the word milk, milk, and then ask you if it starts with the short I sound, you would say no, because milk does not start with the short I sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Instruments. Does instruments start with the short I sound? It does. The word instruments starts with the short I sound. Now for your second word. Horse. Does horse start with the short I sound? Nope, horse does not start with the short I sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Igloo. Does igloo start with the short I sound? Yes, igloo does start with the short I sound. Wow, great job, guys. Thanks for joining me today to learn all about the short I sound. See you later.